Alright, here we have a nice 2011 JCB 3CX backhoe. This unit has just over 2,000 original hours on it. A nice bucket on the front, pin-on bucket. This is also an enclosed cab machine with air conditioning. This unit, of course, also has four-wheel drive and the extend-a-hoe feature. All the lights working on the back and front. See you stand it up here and check the backhoe. See outriggers function. See the extend-a-hoe engaging. This unit is a brand new arrival to the yard, just arrived today. So just getting our hands on it for the first time, seeing what it's made of. Seems like a very clean machine. Just over 2,000 original hours, 2011 JCB 3CX backhoe. Also four-wheel drive. This unit is available on our website. Come check it out. JCB 2011 3CX backhoe. Four-wheel drive, enclosed cab, extend-a-hoe, air conditioning.